Creating a captivating gallery wall is a wonderful way to showcase your personality and enhance the aesthetic of any room. To set up a simple yet engaging gallery wall, start by selecting a cohesive theme that resonates with your style. For a minimalist approach, curate a collection of your favorite prints and photos in clean, understated frames, allowing each piece to speak for itself and creating a serene, uncluttered look. If you love vibrant colors, opt for a color pop gallery by mixing and matching bold, colorful artworks and photographs to infuse energy and joy into the space. For a touch of elegance, a monochrome theme using black and white images or prints can add sophistication and timelessness. Personalize your gallery wall by incorporating travel memories, displaying photos and souvenirs from your adventures to evoke nostalgia and stories. Bringing nature indoors is simple with a botanical theme, featuring illustrations or photos of leaves, flowers, and natural scenes to create a calming, refreshing atmosphere. Celebrate your loved ones with a family-focused gallery wall, blending candid shots and professional portraits for a heartwarming display. For a nostalgic feel, integrate vintage posters, old photographs, and classic art pieces to evoke timeless charm. If you're creatively inclined, an abstract gallery wall with diverse colors, shapes, and textures can make a dynamic and inspiring statement. Incorporate motivational quotes and elegant typography to create a quote corner that uplifts and inspires daily. Alternatively, embrace an eclectic mix by combining different styles, colors, and frame types for a unique and personalized look that reflects your individuality. Arrange your chosen pieces thoughtfully, considering balance and spacing, to create a harmonious and visually appealing display. Whether you prefer a specific theme or a diverse collection, a well-designed gallery wall not only decorates your space but also tells a story, engages viewers, and adds a personal touch to your home. By thoughtfully selecting and arranging your artwork, you can create a gallery wall that is both simple to set up and richly engaging, transforming any room into a personalized gallery that celebrates what you love most.